Good afternoon. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday, July the 26th, 2024. Yes, today it's also the opening of the Olympics. Yeah, in France. Yeah. All right. We have three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved. The 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are remain. Two puzzles are left. We have the Killer Sudoku and the 4 Stars Sudoku. It's time for the 4 Stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 8968. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening, not now. Now I will continue with this these regular puzzles. All right. Okay. The 4 Stars Sudoku. This will be number. Let me see. 8968. And before I start, I always count the 20 digits. Well, this one has again 26. Well. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. 26 printed digits. A 2 stars puzzle has always 26. 4 stars Sudoku has 24. So this one has 2 digits more. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 4 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 1? The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 1. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. Alright. I need a 6 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Okay. Need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, this box can be a 6 because we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, give me 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, give me 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 in the second column could be here, or there. You see another 6 in this row, third row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then let me see. 3 and a 9. Yeah, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have 3 and a 9 in this column, third column. So no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need an 8 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in this row, so no 2 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1, okay. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. We have a 9 and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5, 5, okay. Then need a 5 here, need a 7 here, need a 4 here. That means we need a 4 there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is a 4. Here, give me 4. We have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here, give me 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in the last row should be there. Then let me see. Need 8 here. Well, yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. I need a 4 here. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in that column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Well, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Let me see. Need a 9 here. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so here can be a 9. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. Okay, here can be 9. Then let me see. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 there. No 3. 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. So here 3 and 8 are left. Okay, how about the 7 then? Need a 7 here. Need a 2 there. Okay. Alright. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. And I need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. 8, 8, need 8 here. 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. Think. 5. Need a 5 there. Come on. Well, in this column, we need a 5. Here, give me 5. We have 5 in this last row, no 5 there. Here, give me 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. And here, give me 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 10 minutes already passed. Okay. Do we have all the 5s? No. 5 in the last row. Oh, wait. Yeah. Here we have a 5. Here we need a 5. I need to wait for the 5. Cannot fill this yet. How about the 8 should be here. 8, need an 8 here. No, need 8 there. Need a 7 here. We have a pair here. The 1 and the 7 in the first column. The 1 and the 7 in the second column. So the third column. Only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Then, let me see. Need a 4 here. I need an 8 here also. 8. How about the 3? Could be everywhere. 2. Need a 2 there. Yeah, in this row. Need a 2 there then. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the 3, 8 and the, need a 4 here. No. We have a 4 here. 3, 8. I need a 7 here. Yeah. 7. Yeah, need a 7 here. Well, I think the 7 should be there because in this column we need a 7. These 2 boxes can be 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this one, no 7. The only place left for the 7 should be here then. So the 3 and the 8 are left here. Here also a pair. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Okay. Need a 7. Need a 1. Need a 9, 2. I need a 3 here. 2 and a 3. Well, difficult. Come on. Need a 9 here. No 9. But the 5. Need a 5 here. 7 here. Could be a 7 here. I'm thinking. Well, in this column we need an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8. There's the only place left for 8. Should be there. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. We have all the 4s. No. Need a 4 there. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. So the 3 and 8 are left here. 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Then I need a 7 here. 7 and I need a 2 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. I have earlier marked this box with 9 and a 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box give me 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 9. 9 in the 4, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 15 minutes already passed. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left now in the second column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 3 or an 8 here. We have an 8 now in the second row, so this can't be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 3. That box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes in there. 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. So now 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 9 in the last column, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. Again, a 2 stars puzzle here. Not a 3. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.